Number 8. The Kingfisher. Kingfishers are radiant birds known for their vibrant plumage and remarkable hunting skill. They exhibit a dazzling array of colors, with species like the common kingfisher having a brilliant mixture of blue and orange. Their coloration, like that of many birds, is enhanced by the structure of their feathers, which scatters light and intensifies the hues. Kingfishers are most famous for their fishing technique. They'll perch quietly above the water and then dive headfirst to catch fish with their sharp and pointy beaks. Their eyes are specially adapted to see underwater, and a protective membrane covers them when they dive. This allows for an almost seamless transition from the air to the water. There are over 100 species of kingfishers, and not all are waterbound. Some, like the shovel-billed kookaburra, live in forests and feed on insects and reptiles. Despite their varied diets, all kingfishers share a characteristic large head, long sharp bill, and short legs. The sight of a kingfisher plunging into the water is a spectacle of both precision and agility. These birds are not only stunning to look at, they're also fascinating examples of adaptation and skill in the bird world. Number 9. The Toucan. Toucans are one of the most recognizable and unique birds in the world. Native to Central and South America's tropical forests, the birds are known for their large and curved bills, which, despite their size, are surprisingly light due to their hollow structure. The toucan's beak is a marvel of nature's design, serving multiple functions, which includes feeding, regulating body temperature, and as a tool for courtship displays. The most famous species, the keel-billed toucan, showcases a beak that's adorned with an array of colors like green, red, and yellow. The vibrant plumage, usually black with touches of bright colors, adds to their striking appearance. Toucans are social birds that are often seen in small flocks and are known for their noisy calls that echo throughout the rainforest. Their diet is primarily fruit-based, but they also consume insects, small lizards, and eggs, making them important seed dispersers in their habitats. Their feeding behavior is quite the sight, as they skillfully toss fruit into the air and catch it in their large beaks. Number 10. The Quetzal. The Quetzal, often considered one of the most beautiful birds in the world, is a symbol of freedom and wealth in Central American culture. The male Quetzal is particularly noble for its iridescent green back, red breast, and a unique, long twin tail feather that flows behind him like a trailing robe. The tail feathers can grow up to be 3 feet long, adding to their majestic appearance. Quetzals are elusive and shy, making sightings a rare and cherished experience. They feed primarily on fruits, particularly wild avocados, and play a critical role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers. The resplendent Quetzal is also a symbol of Guatemala, even appearing on the country's flag and currency. The bird's importance extends into ancient times. The Mayan and Aztec civilizations revered the bird, using its feathers in royal and religious ceremonies. The Quetzal's ability to fly freely was so respected that it was said to prefer death over captivity. Witnessing the ethereal beauty of one of these birds in its natural habitat is a breathtaking and almost mystical experience, which underscores the deep connections between birds and cultural heritage. Number 11. The Snowy Owl. The snowy owl exudes a serene and mystical presence. Known for its striking white plumage, which provides excellent camouflage in its habitat, this owl is a sight to behold. The males are almost completely white, while females and young owls have scattered dark markings. Their large, round yellow eyes are captivating and aid in their exceptional vision, crucial for hunting in dim light. Snowy owls are nomadic, often traveling great distances in search of food, and unlike most owls, they're diurnal, hunting both in day and night. Their diet primarily consists of rodents like lemmings, but they can occasionally take down a larger prey. They have a special place in folklore and pop culture, often associated with wisdom and mystery. They're well adapted to their harsh Arctic environment, with heavily feathered bodies including their legs and feet to keep them warm. Seeing a snowy owl perched silently in the Arctic landscape or in a graceful flight with its expansive wings is a remarkable sight, and a reminder of the resilience and beauty of wildlife in some of the most extreme environments on the planet. Number 12. The African Crowned Crane. The African crowned crane is a symbol of grace in the African savannas and wetlands. This crane is instantly recognizable by its unique crown of golden feathers atop its head, a feature that sets it apart from other crane species. Its gray body, white wings, and patches of color, and the striking red and white patch on its cheeks all add to its regal bearing. Crowned cranes are known for their elaborate dancing rituals, which involves jumping, bowing, and wing flapping. These displays are not only part of their mating rituals, but are also a way to strengthen and pair bonds and socialize within the group. These birds are omnivorous, feeding on plants, seeds, insects, and small animals, and are often found in pairs or small family groups, and known to be quite vocal, with a distinctive honking call that echoes across their habitat. It holds a special place in African folklore and is revered in many cultures across the continent. In Uganda, it's the national symbol and appears on the country's flag and coat of arms. Number 13. The Puffin, Clowns of the Sea. Puffins are often referred to as the clowns of the sea and are a charming seabird known for their colorful beaks and whimsical expressions. These birds, with their striking black and white plumage and bright orange beaks, are a delight to behold. Found primarily in the North Atlantic, puffins are adept swimmers, using their wings to fly underwater while hunting for fish. During the breeding season, puffins form large colonies on coastal cliffs and islands, where their vividly colored beaks become brighter and more pronounced. These beaks, along with their distinctive clown-like facial markings, play a crucial role in courtship and social interaction. Puffins are skilled builders, digging burrows where they lay a single egg and raise their chick. Both of the parents will share the responsibility of caring for the young, and their ability to carry out multiple fish in their beaks at once, thanks to their unique hinging mechanism, is essential for feeding their offspring. Witnessing a group of puffins socializing on rocky shores with their comical gait and playful antics is a captivating sight, and despite their somewhat clumsy appearance on land, puffins are remarkably agile in the air and the water. Number 14. The Harpy Eagle, a majestic predator. The harpy eagle reigns supreme in the rainforest canopies of Central and South America. This formidable bird of prey, with its striking appearance, commands respect and awe. The harpy eagle is characterized by its slate-gray feathers, broad black bands across its chest, and a distinctive, feathered crest that it raises when alert. These eagles are perfectly adapted to life in the dense forests, with shorter wings and long tails that enhance their maneuverability through the trees. Their large and curved talons are amongst the strongest of any known bird, capable of exerting enormous pressure to instantly subdue their prey, which includes monkeys and sloths. Harpy eagles are apex predators, playing a crucial role in their ecosystem while maintaining a balance in wildlife populations. They're a solitary and elusive bird, making sightings of them rare and special for bird watchers and conservationists. Despite their intimidating presence, harpy eagles are facing challenges due to habitat destruction and hunting. Their presence in the rainforest is a vital indicator of ecological health, and their conservation is essential for the biodiversity of those regions. Observing a harpy eagle in its natural habitat, whether perched in majesty or soaring through the forest canopy, is an unforgettable experience that highlights the importance of preserving our natural world.